Hey Bilaras! Welcome back to your favorite spot of natural skincare. If you're here, I know you love DIY face masks as much as I do. But are you really getting the most out of them? Today, I'm spilling all my best kept secrets for making your natural masks work harder so your skin can glow brighter. Now, grab a cup of tea, hit that subscribe button, and watch until the end to unlock your skin's glow together. First things first, prep is key. Here's how to start. First, cleanse thoroughly. Always begin with a clean face. Use a gentle cleanser to remove makeup, dirt, and oil so your skin is ready to absorb all the goodness from the mask. Second, exfoliate. This step is optional. For masks targeting hydration or brightening, a gentle exfoliation beforehand can help remove dead skin cells, allowing the mask to penetrate deeper. Here's a pro tip for you. If you got a sensitive skin, skip the exfoliation part. It's all about listening to your skin's need. How you apply your mask matters. First, use clean tools. Whether it's a brush or your fingers, make sure they're squeaky clean to keep bacteria far away from your skin. Second, even application. Spread the mask evenly, focusing on problem areas but avoiding the delicate eye area. Third, don't overdo it. A thin, even layer is all you need. Don't cake it on. Did you know that leaving your mask on for too long can do more harm than good? Here's the golden rule. Stick to the recommended time, usually 15 to 20 minutes for natural masks. Then, never let a mask dry completely, especially if it contains ingredients like clay or yogurt, as this can dehydrate your skin. Always set a timer if needed to avoid forgetting. It's all about balance. Taking the mask off is just as important as putting it on. Here's how to do it right. First, rinse gently. Use lukewarm water and your hands. No scrubbing allowed. Your skin is already glowing, so treat it gently. Second, follow with a toner. A gentle toner can help remove any leftover residue and balance your skin's pH. Third, moisturize. Always seal in the benefits of the mask with a good moisturizer. Your skin will thank you. Now for the expert hacks to make your masking sessions even better. Patch test first. Always test a small area to make sure your skin isn't allergic to any ingredient. Be consistent. Use masks 2 to 3 times a week for long-term results. Custom tailor your masks. Mix ingredients based on your skin's need, like honey for hydration or turmeric for brightening. And lastly, don't forget your neck. Extend the mask to your neck for even-toned skin everywhere. And there you have it. Follow these tips and you'll get the most out of every natural mask you try. Skincare doesn't have to be complicated. It's all about knowing the little tricks that work for your skin. If you found this video helpful, drop a comment below and let me know your favorite DIY mask or tip. Don't forget to like, share this with your friends, and subscribe for more natural skincare secrets. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay glowing, Bilaras. Bye!